Party and choose Jamaica. Shower Labour.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity.
Labour rights, put your ex beside the. Put your ex beside the. Put your ex beside the. On election day, September 3, we are going to put our ex beside the. All right, so Labour rights, you know what to do when you're going to the polling station. Central St. James is in the house. And who runs Central St. James? One Heroy Clark in the Central St. James. One Heroy Clark in the Central St. James. Let's welcome the Member of Parliament. The man who will be returned as Member of Parliament in Central St. James. One Heroy Clark.
When you drive out, you can't broke down. Front tire flat spear, you no got none. Hilton I try mash up my beer. Like how your auto parts place it back down. Everybody wave your hand now for here. See Central St. James in my bring jar. The campaign gone in a full speed. That mean here, Clark I take the lead. Wave up your hand now for here.
Labour rights. Let me say, welcome to the Republic of Montego Bay to my colleagues on the platform. Labour rights in St. James, you know how we do it. Anything we do with the help of the Almighty. And tonight is no different. So I read to you from Psalms 1. It says, blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the ways of the sinners, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord. And in the law he meditates day and night. And he shall be like the tree planted by the rivers of water that bringeth forth food in its season. Labour rights. If you love Andrew Holness, let me hear you. Labour rights. Labour rights. The third term is already loaded. Now we are ready to start to offload the third term. So we must make sure on the 3rd of September, at any time after 5 p.m., the only announcement that they will be making is 1 p.m. 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Labour rights, I stand before you for the candidate of the friendly constituency of St. James Central. Just as Joshua did when he stand in front of Jericho wall, so shall I stand in front of St. James Central, reminding you of the path that we as a constituency have taken to prosperity under the command of the most honorable Andrew Michael Holness. This JLP government has been the answer to some other people, because when them did have it and them try and them couldn't manage it, one man couldn't take the pressure and him bail out divine intervention. But Labour rights, remember, God is the Almighty. Him answer prayer, and he answered the prayer by giving us Andrew Michael Holness. He answered the prayer when he gave us Dr. Horace Chang. He answered the prayer when he gave us Fairval Williams. He answered the prayer in local government when he gave us Desmond Mackenzie. And he continues to answer our prayer right across. So labor rights, we prayed. And in 2017, under the leadership of Andrew Holness, Flower Hill, who had no water for 30 years, saw a new $137 million water project. We saw $237 million water project from Quarry straight up to make it up. Every single road in Salt Spring have water. Every single road in Salt Spring, whether it be Cottage, whether it be Bucktour Lane, whether it be Repasture, whether it be Labby Lane, whether it be Angie Lane, every lane is Barbara Green. A full unit infant department in Rose Heights. Never before have the people of Rose Heights seen something like that. We went around to Green Pond and we built another infant department because we believe in our Pitney. It's the children, they are the future. And so we must continue to invest in them. If you go over to Mount Salem, we're expanding the Mount Salem Primary School. All because we understand that many of our people in the inner city are unable to have a comfortable seat in school. And so Andrew said to us, he is expanding Mount Salem. We're not stopping there. We're not stopping there. When you look at the water system, tonight the Prime Minister will address that. But let me tell you, we have a water system from Martha Brae into the entire western part of Jamaica that we are going to see water no more a problem. Labor rights. Labor rights. We on ya. We there. And we not left ya. They could have picked we up. They could have licked we down. We're going to bounce right back. I tell you now, labor rights from Central, we know it. We have all kind of ants. We have red ants. We have biting ants. And we have mud ants. So when you hear some people, labor rights, I talk about them going to deliver. I know, yes, a whole delivery service in a Montego Bay. So we have a package to give to her so she can go deliver for we. Labor rights. They are like the wandering ships and wander all over the place. Today, they are in Central. The next day, them they are West Central. The next day, them just don't have no abiding city. Labor rights, we are here to stay. So labor rights, make sure, as of tonight, the person beside you, turn to them and say, welcome, neighbor rights. Welcome, neighbor rights. Because everybody that you have is now a neighbor rights. So I want to say to you, on the 3rd of September, go out early. Make sure you walk with every neighbor rights. Because anytime after 5 p.m.,